The density tower experiment is a fun and simple science project that demonstrates the concept of density. In this experiment, I will create a tower of liquids with different densities, which will separate into distinct layers based on their relative densities. My name is Noman and you are watching Fireheart. Material you will need: a tall clear container such as narrow glass or plastic tube, a funnel, 9 different liquids with different densities. Example include honey, corn syrup, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol and lamp oil. Food coloring, a pipette or eyedropper. First of all, gather your materials and set up your work area. On the second step, begin by pouring the heaviest liquid into the bottom of the container. Honey or corn syrup works well for this step. Use the funnel to carefully pour the liquid into the container, being sure not to mix it with other liquids. On the third step, choose the next lightest liquid, such as dish soap or water. Add it to the container on top of the first layer. Repeat step 3 with the remaining liquids, adding them in order of increasing density. Once you have added all of the liquids, observe the tower and the distinct layers that have been formed. You can experiment with the order and number of liquids you use to create different densities towers. The balloon rocket experiment is a fun and simple science project that demonstrates the basic principle of Newton's third law of motion. In this experiment, you will create a rocket using a balloon and string. Material you will need: a long piece of string, at least 6 feet long, a balloon, a straw, tape, scissors, marker. Begin by cutting a piece of string that is at least 6 feet long. Tie one end of the string to a sturdy object. Tape the straw in place so that it cannot move along the string. Blow up the balloon and hold it closed with your fingers. Release the balloon and watch as the rocket moves along the string. You can also try adding fins or other decoration to the rocket to see if they affect its stability or speed. Thanks for watching this video. I hope everyone likes this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.